What's up guys, I'm Mike from Stocked Up. In this video, I'm going to be going over what VWAP is. So if you're not familiar with VWAP, VWAP stands for Volume Weighted Average Price. And what this is it's an indicator that you can apply to your intraday charts. So what that means is you can only look at this indicator on a chart that is, 5 minute, 15 minute, 1 minute, hourly charts. Like you cannot look at this analyzing daily charts. It has to be within 1 day. So it could be a 4-hour chart, whatever. It just has to be less than a day. Now, VWAP is so important because so many traders use it, including institutions and mutual funds, because they use it because it's very simple and it's very helpful too. So first, I'm going to show you how to activate it on your Thinkorswim chart. First, you want to do is you want to go to Studies, top right, click Edit Studies, and then type in VWAP right there. Double click it. And then just click apply, okay, and then you're done. It's that simple. Now you have your VWAP, which is the purple right here. I'm gonna zoom in, and then you have your top band at the top, and you have your lower band at the bottom. Personally, I only like to use the VWAP. I don't like to use the bands. Some other traders have success with the bands. I don't use them, so I'm going to disable them. To do that, you want to click the settings bar right there, and then you want to click the upper band right there, and then unclick the show plot bubble and title button, and the same thing for the lower band. Click OK, apply, and it is fixed. Now, what VWAP is it's literally the volume weighted average price. So what it does is it weights the price by volume, and it just takes the average of it. So what you're seeing on this chart, this purple line represents the average price for the day, but it's weighted by volume. So the more shares that are traded at a lower price, the lower the VWAP is going to be, and vice versa if it's higher. Now, day traders use this to get a sense of trend and just tell if they got a good fill on the stock they bought today. So for example, if VWAP is at $370 and the day trader paid $365 for the stock, they're going to be happy because everyone else paid an average price of $370, but they got in for $365. Vice versa, if the VWAP is at $370 and a trader pays $375 for it, they're not going to be too happy because everyone else on average paid less than them. Now, people use VWAP, like I said, for a sense of direction. When people see an uptrending VWAP, that usually confirms an uptrend. Day traders use this, like I said. This indicator is not used too much by swing traders, and it's just for quick in and out day trades. You can be Forex, futures, cryptocurrencies, whatever. A lot of day traders use them. It's not used by swing traders. Just quick in and out trades. Mutual funds and big institutions use VWAP every day, and this is why it's so popular among retail traders too, is because when institutions are trading with each other or even to other people, they really look at the VWAP because that's where they'll usually buy and sell their orders at, because they don't want to move the stock too much. So for example, let's say Boeing opened at $370 today, and mutual fund X wants to sell. They are going to sell like 10 million shares because they own so much money in Boeing. So what they can't do is they can't just sell all their shares right from the open because the stock will tank. What they'll do instead is they'll just slowly sell their shares at the VWAP price. Because they're selling at an average price, it's not going to move the stock too much up or down. It's a little complicated to understand, but just know that VWAP is a very, very, very important indicator, and a lot of traders use them, even the big mutual funds and institutions. If you have any questions on this video, let me know in the comments down below. But other than that, thanks for watching.